Pain. We all suffer or have suffered some level of pain in our bodies. Simple back pain, knee pain, muscle strains, tendinitis, sprains, bruises, arthritis. It's that feeling of numbness, constant throbbing, aching, tightness, burning, pressure sensation that lingers for days, months, or even years.
I am 79 years old. I was an ex-ball player, actor, and getting old, you always have some type of pain, in the muscles, in the legs, in the knees. But I find out the solution to all my pains and to have a new life. My new life is thanks to Genorthix.
Yes, Genorthix. It's been a lifesaver for me for the last year and a half. It's helped me through the Olympics, and I definitely credit part of that for Genorthix helping me getting my silver and bronze medals that you see right here, keeping me healthy through the Olympics and going for a world championship in Moscow.
As a professional, I often use a computer and sit behind a desk for several hours typing away on the keyboard. As a result, I started to experience pain in my wrists. I first started to use the Genorthix product about 3 months ago. Since I started using the product, my wrists have been experiencing a lot less pain. I'm able to type comfortably. The product smells great. It's very easy to use. It has a lot of natural products, which makes it very attractive to me.
What exactly is pain? Pain is your body's way of sending a clear signal warning you there's something wrong in your muscles or skeleton system that needs your immediate attention. Medical science now knows that chronic pain affects the whole body so that the nervous system becomes biologically stuck within a chemically replicating pathway, unable to reset itself into a normal steady state of pain-free function. The impact of any type of discomfort or chronic pain in your body complicates your daily routine and can be disabling. Pain can be debilitating both physically and mentally, and constant discomfort or persistent pain can impact your quality of life. In the United States, chronic pain cases have reached epidemic levels. According to the National Institute of Medicine, more than 115 million Americans, approximately 30% of the nation's adult population, suffer from some type of chronic pain. What's more dramatic is that 40% of all pain-suffering individuals have experienced these symptoms for over 1 year. And only the person suffering with the pain knows how it feels and how severe it is.
I've been playing golf for 15 to 20 years now, and the last 5 to 10 years I've experienced a lot of pain in my knees and especially my elbows. I've tried many products to help ease the pain on the golf course, and nothing works as good as Genorthix.
I've been using Genorthix for over a year, and every time that I feel a pain, I take it out of my purse and I put it on, and it relieves me immediately.
Knee pain, my left knee to be exact. It's throbbing, pain throughout the day, mostly at night now. I really am tired of taking so many pain pills. Is there something you can suggest?
Okay, so I know that you're trying to avoid surgery and having to take all kinds of medication, so we actually have this new cream. It's a Genorthix pain roll-on. It's very easy to apply. You just very easily apply it to the area where you have the damage or the injury or the pain. Okay, it's just, you don't get it on your hands, you just take the roller and just roll it on the area that you're having the damage.
Oh, it smells very nice, and it feels cool. Kind of warm at the same time.
But you're not alone in this fight. Pain can be treated and managed. Introducing Genorthix Cream. Genorthix Cream is a revolutionary topical formula that penetrates, attacks, and helps bring fast, strong, and temporary relief to the areas of discomfort, specifically where it's most needed. Genorthix Cream is not just a topical cream. It's a medical formulation developed by the renowned orthopedic regenerative specialist, Dr. Ali Murad Farshin, medical director to the Center for Regenerative Medicine in Miami, Florida. By focusing on treating specifically the area affected by the inflammation-related ailment, Dr. Farshin's Genorthix Cream is an effective custom blended formula available without a prescription. Genorthix Cream is a fast-acting and easy-to-use topical formula with natural active ingredients. When used according to label directions, this combination of ingredients can provide temporary relief from aches and pains of muscles and joints associated with simple backaches, sports injuries, arthritis, strains, bruises, and sprains. Living with discomfort and pain day after day is bad enough. Finding something that can bring relief doesn't have to be painful as well. A topical treatment like Dr. Farshin's Genorthix Cream is fast, safe, and effective, primarily for one reason. When it's correctly applied in the area that's bothersome, this unique and effective penetrating formula is absorbed directly through the skin in the affected region, working on the pain pathways, subsequently bringing temporary relief to the affected muscles and joints without the side effects of prescription medications. Genorthix Cream works where you need it most. It's a direct-acting formula. And here to share with us a valuable medical perspective of the pain epidemic in this country, we have invited the creator of Genorthix Cream, Dr. Farshin. He's going to share his experience with the management and treatment of pain-related symptoms, an epidemic that's really, really scary in America right now. Doctor?
Hello, and thank you for having me, Renee.
Great to be here with you. This is really an epidemic, correctly?
Yes, this is a big epidemic, and partly it has to do with the fact that human body, when it comes to the joints, tendons, and ligaments, it's not a very perfect. In other words, this is our kryptonite. Once these areas get damaged, they don't repair easily, and the chronic pain happens. Chronic pain, as opposed to acute pain, is when the pain lasts more than 2 to 6 months. 60% of people over age 60 do have some sort of chronic pain. 70% over 70, 80% 80, and it goes up 100% when you're 100 years old. So
we know that everyone watching right now knows someone, a friend, a family member who has had some kind of pain or discomfort at some point in their lives, and for a long, long time too. We have seen them suffer for weeks, months, and now we know that pain is not only a symptom of aging or a chronic condition. It's an epidemic that's affecting millions of people of all ages, sex, race, or economic status. Okay, doctor, here's the question that everybody has in their mind. What is the difference between muscle pain and joint pain? And most importantly, which of the two has a greater risk at becoming chronic?
Well, there is certainly an overlap between the muscle pain and joint pain. They both could produce a big problem. Both could become chronic. They both could be debilitating the patients. The muscle pain is usually limited to the muscles, and the joint pain could cause both muscle pain as well as joint pain. So to address the joint pain, obviously, you got to go after the joint and try to fix that problem. Hopefully that would help the muscle situation as well.
Dr. Farshin, the biggest difference between acute and chronic pain, what is chronic pain, and most importantly, how do we avoid chronic pain?
Well, that's a great question, Renee. Basically, the pain is currently being classified as acute versus chronic. Acute pain could last somewhere between 2 to 8 weeks and usually resolves by itself. Chronic pain could last more than 2 to 6 months, and it's kind of a lifelong problem. To avoid chronic pain, well, you got to see what caused the chronic pain. The chronic pain usually is caused because of at least in the musculoskeletal problems, it's caused because of joint problems and, damage to joint, whether it was a trauma versus arthritic condition. Arthritis is basically inflammation of the joint, and you could reduce the inflammation either by taking oral medication or versus taking a cream. Now, oral medications do certainly have some side effects because they go through your body, they go through your stomach and through your gastrointestinal tract, causing problems. So the good thing about the cream is it's local, it penetrates, and you do not have to worry about the side effects.
So I'm sure, like most people out there watching, I'm so confused these days. You have to have ID to buy allergy medication. You have to, there's so much confusion, doctor, about the difference between what's over-the-counter, prescription, all that. I would like to hear from you, what's the difference between, the main characteristics, the difference between something as innovative as your Genorthix cream versus the traditional prescription medication, the main differences.
That's a very good question, Renee. Basically, this product was made of some of the most natural ingredients that are in the market right now. And because of that, we haven't seen any side effects within the patients that have used it here in our medical center or so on. So we feel this is a very good product to put out there for patients out there, whether they have arthritis or sports injuries. We feel this is going to help them out a lot.
Doctor, what are the advantages of a topical formula like Genorthix cream? What really happens when you put it in the muscle? What are the advantages that you have when you have chronic pain and you put the cream on? How does it work?
Well, what I like about this cream is it works really fast. What we did is we tried this cream by applying ultrasound while we were doing physical therapy on some of the patients. And we felt that this is a more superior product to some of the other products out there that are similar but not quite as effective.
What is this innovative, amazing product that everybody's raving about? What is the Genorthix cream?
And this is a cream that helps with arthritis, sports injuries. The beauty of the cream is it has no side effects. It doesn't smell. It doesn't burn. It's easy to use. Again, it's something that we've used in our center for about 7 years, and the safety and efficacy of it is well proven to us.
Is chronic pain and joint and muscle pains only due to aging when we get older, or can anybody suffer? Who can suffer from chronic?
Anybody can suffer from it. In my practice, I've seen children as early as 8 years old developing osteoarthritis of the knee. And these were, just to give you the best example, this was a kid who was being pushed by his father to kind of play soccer from the age 3 to 4, you know, and he was getting arthritis at the age of 8. So it's the arthritis, chronic pain, they're kind of universal. They don't know any age, they don't know any name, they don't know any race. They get everybody.
What I like about it, doctor, is that temporary pain of relief, that soothing feel you get when you put it on. That's fantastic. And I want to thank you for creating this product and for putting it into the marketplace. I think people are going to love it, and it's going to be an amazing product that not only the Olympians and the famous athletes that are using it till now have done it. Now everybody can enjoy the benefits of the Genorthix cream that you've created. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
And you've heard it. There it is. Now it's your time to act. All you have to do to stop living in pain is call right now. Call the number. Take action and order the Genorthix cream today. Thank you, doctor.
Thank you.
Don't suffer any longer. After an active week of driving, working on the computer or around the yard, outdoor activities, shopping, exercising, your muscles and joints might continue to hurt even after you take your usual pain medication. But if you're not enthusiastic about taking another pill to dull the pain, we are sure you will appreciate the simplicity of Genorthix cream. And thanks to medical professionals like Dr. Farshan, who worries about your well-being, Genorthix cream was created and formulated specifically to help manage and bring temporary relief to that feeling of numbness, constant throbbing, aching, tightness, burning, pressure sensation that untreated pain can cause in your body. Don't let your pain and discomfort keep you from living the life you want to live. And today, specifically during this television promotion, we have an amazing special offer for you introducing Genorthix cream. But you gotta call within the next 10 minutes, so call now and order Genorthix cream. Order now Genorthix cream and bring fast-acting temporary relief to your pain, specifically in the affected area. It's a proprietary formula that contains natural active ingredients and amino acids known to temporarily reduce or relieve pain and inflammation. Genorthix cream helps bring temporary relief to muscles and joints without the risk of side effects caused by prescription medications that have to be ingested orally. Don't let your pain and discomfort keep you from living the life you want to live. Order now Genorthix Cream and bring fast-acting temporary relief to your pain in the affected area. It contains natural active ingredients. Use Genorthix Cream before bedtime, before and after a workout, and for minor aches and pains anywhere in your body except the face, eyes, and mouth. Genorthix Cream is for everyone. People like yourself that suffer from aches and pains, arthritic patients, and professional athletes with sports injuries. Children under 16 should consult their physician before using. Now, your pain, aches, and discomfort have a solution. Don't wait any longer. Order Genorthix Cream right now. Genorthix Cream has been developed by the renowned orthopedic regenerative specialist, Dr. Fashion, Medical Director for the Center of Regenerative Medicine in Miami, Florida. By focusing on treating specifically the area affected by the inflammation-related ailment, Dr. Fashion's Genorthix Cream is an effective custom-blended formula and is available without a prescription. Call right now. Our operators are standing by and will be happy to help you answer any questions you may have. This television offer is only available for a limited time, so what are you waiting for? Order your Genorthix Cream today. Stop living with pain. Don't let pain and discomfort keep you from living the life you want to live. Call and order right now.